Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansai Kishore. Today I will teach you in Standard 12 English Grammar. The topic is active passive voice. This is a part 8. Last time I explained you some examples of simple present tense, simple past tense, simple modal auxiliaries, perfect modal auxiliaries, present continue. Now, today in this topic I will explain you past continuous tense and present perfect tense. See, the first example is the peon was cleaning the door at that time. Now see, the peon is a subject, cleaning is a verb, the room is a object, and at that time this is a other word. So first of all we have to put object. So object is the room. Now in this sentence was is given, that means past continuous tense. So if the sentence says is, am, are, was, were, along with that we have to put being. So the room was being, third form, cleaned at that time by the peon. Okay friends, I repeat this and answer. The room was being cleaned at that time by the peon. Now see the second one. The principal was discussing the important matter. Now in this sentence the principal is a subject, discussing is a verb, the important matter, that is object. So first of all you have to write down the object. So the important matter was being discussed by the principal. Repeat the answer. The important matter was being discussed by the principal. Now the third, I was not reading a book when the guest came. Now I is a subject, reading is a verb, and a book is object. So first of all I have to put object, a book. This is a negative sentence, so passive comes to negative. The book was not being read by me, comma, when the guest came. Now I repeat the answer. The book was not being read by me when the guest came. Now fourth sentence, why was your father scolding you at that time? So there is interrogative sentence. So first of all I put to why. Now according to tense, according to object we have to put was. So object is scolding you. Okay, why was your father scolding you? So subject is you. So where, why were you being scolded at that time by your father? Okay, so your father is a subject, scolding is a verb, and you is a object. So in place of subject I have to put object, but this is interrogative. So first of all I have to put why, then interrogative word where, you being scolded at that time by your father. Now next sentence, I have already read this story book. So I is a subject, read is a verb, and this storybook is a object. So object, this story book has been already read by me. Okay, so in place of subject we have to put object. So object is this storybook. Now in this sentence have is given, but this is a singular, so we have to put has. After has we have to put been. Then third form, so already read. Fourth rule by, and then after by we have to put subject, then me. So this storybook has been already read by me. Now next sentence. My brother has taken the breakfast in the morning. So object is the breakfast. The breakfast has been taken in the morning by my brother. I repeat the sentence. The breakfast has been taken in the morning by my brother. Now next, they have not seen a hippopotamus. So object is a hippopotamus. A hippopotamus has not been seen by them. Okay, so hippopotamus is object. This negative has not been, then this seen is a verb, fourth rule by, and after by we have to put subject. So we have to put them in place of they. Now last sentence, what has she preferred? So I told you if the sentence start with what, so there is no object. So what has been preferred by her? I repeat the sentence. What has been preferred by her? There is a question mark. Okay friends, so I explain you 8 sentence. These are 2 types of sentence: past continuous tense and present perfect tense. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.